All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're going to go over the 5060 from Nvidia, the no reviewer card. It's not really a whole lot about this card right now because, again, there's no reviews. All right, so Nvidia just confirmed that it's withholding pre-release drivers from reviewers for the 5060. So yeah, they're going to withhold the pre-release drivers. It's pretty crazy. So the company said that it will only make drivers for the mainstream graphics card available on May 19th, and that's when this card is supposed to come out, May 19th. So we'll definitely take a look at that. So many reviewers already have the GPU in the labs and test benches, but they still haven't received the pre-release drivers typically included with the review kit. They can't really do any testing with it to show the actual performance of it. Probably because it's just going to be like a slightly overclocked 3060 Ti. Kind of like with the 5060 Ti 16 gigabyte, it was just a 3070 Ti slightly overclocked. That's all it was. So it's probably going to be like a 3060 or 3060 12 gig or 3060 Ti just slightly overclocked. That's all it's going to be basically. That's at least my take on it, because that's what I came out with the 5060 Ti 16 gig. It was not great. I did the performance against the 3070 Ti, and it was just a slight overclock on 3070 Ti to match the performance of the 5060 Ti 16 gig. That usually receive these pre-release drivers have taken to social media and the respective pages say they still haven't gotten the required software to run what would be NVIDIA's most affordable RTX 50 series, codename Blackwell. Yeah, it's sad. It's sad that they don't have a driver for it, a confirmed driver that'll be readily available for everybody, basically. So they can't do any testing because the testings will not be correct, basically. And there isn't any leaks right now on the performance, or I would do overclocking on like a 2080 Super, see if I can match the same kind of performance, or like a 3070 Ti and see if I can match the same performance with no overclock whatsoever. So Team Green finally confirmed this to tweakers.net, who said that it will only make the RTX 5060 drivers available on the day of release. This means that the tech media won't be able to test the GPU until May 19th and publish the results after it goes on sale, which is insane. So you're just buying on luck and hope. That's this hope and dreams right there that the card could actually perform very good. Hopefully it does. I mean, it is a 50 series card. They do perform pretty good usually, but for the 5060 Ti 16 gig, it was not great. The 8 gig model's not great either. So don't have much high hopes for the 5060, to be honest. Nvidia confirms to tweakers that the company will only make RTX 5060 drivers available on May 19th. So another complication is GPU will arrive exactly one day before Computex 2025. Brutal. This will make it harder for publications with smaller teams to run tests upon the driver's release, as most of their people will likely travel to Taiwan to attend the Tech Expo. So because of this, budget gamers who are keen on getting a new affordable, because it's part of their budget lineup, this is technically one of their affordable graphics cards, will have no way of gauging how the 5060 will perform on day of launch. And that's what sucks about it. I do believe this card's going to go for like 300, 329 maybe, but that's speculation on performance and that too, so it's kind of hard to judge. Plus, what they got for the 5060 Ti, it's crazy the prices, right? So Nvidia did not give reason for the delay, but it could be that it's still making some last minute tweaks to GPU drivers. That way it can ensure that the RTX 5060 delivers some performance measure despite only having 8 gigabytes of VRAM, or the company is avoiding getting its lowest tier 50 series GPU compared to Intel Arc B580. So for 249, Intel Arc B580, 249. If it can even match this performance, that'd be great. Probably won't even match the Arc B580 performance, and it's gonna be a lot more than $249, just to say that. Now, other things about this card that I know about, it does have 3,840 CUDA cores, 130 or 30 streaming processors, which is not great. It's 128-bit bus there for its actual performance, because that's performance right there. It's not great. It's not great. Could be a lot better. Let's just say that. So yeah, it's probably gonna be about 300, maybe $329 for this card. And we don't know if it's gonna have a 12 gigabyte variant. We do know it's probably gonna have 8 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory, and that's about it that we know about this card so far. So stick around and we'll go over more about the 5060 closer to the release, as we might actually get a driver or a close to the actual release driver, and we'll go over that as well. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, stick around.